Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome to the Patreon. Today we are talking all about what type of degree should you get? What do you need? A lot of you guys have asked me about associates and certificate programs and bachelors and like which one do I need? Do I need an associate's? What do I need to get started? So today I'm talking to you guys about certificate programs, associates, and bachelor's degrees so you can decide which one is the best for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first one that I want to talk about is a certificate. So that's what I have. Certificate programs are usually shorter programs. Mine was 1 year. They're usually about 1 year long. And basically they give you what you need to start working quickly, and they give you what you need to sit for certain exams. So generally speaking, a certificate program will allow you to sit for abdomen, OBGYN, and your SPI or your physics portion of your registry. Now I got it because I already had other education, and this is really all I needed to get into sonography. But this right here will not allow you to pursue more education. And what I mean by that is that you're actually going to have to take more classes to obtain an associate's, to go on to get a bachelor's, to go on to do other things. So when you do this, you're able to sit for your registries, and you're also able to go ahead and get to working, but you're not going to be able to take that and kind of move on up through education. You're gonna have to take a few more classes, and then you'll be able to kind of go up into higher education, if that makes sense. So if you're someone who may be older and you really don't care to pursue any other education, or maybe you know that this is what you want to do and you never want to go any further, or that you're just ready to start working right away and you feel like you can do the other stuff later, this would be the perfect one for you. So next we're going to talk about an associate's degree. So an associate's degree is the best foundation for any entry-level sonographer, in my opinion, and I think in the opinion of a lot of others, because it gives you gain a lot of marketable skills because you have so many more courses that are not included in the certificate program. Certificate programs basically give you exactly what you need for sonography. As prerequisites, you might have to take medical terminology, just some people skills type of things, patient care, things like that. But when you have an associate, you're going to have to take history and English and a lot of things that give you marketable skills that you're going to use further in life, period. And also the associates allows you to get a bachelor's degree and possibly get a master's and go on or go to medical school or whatever it might be, or associate's, bachelor's in medical school. But it gives you the opportunity to pursue more education. It's just a great foundation, and it gives you those courses that you need. So the associate's degree is best for someone who is looking for that great entry-level foundation into sonography, someone who wants to gain those marketable skills, someone who is interested in pursuing higher education, who really wants to grow in sonography. You know, you start an associate, you work your way to a bachelor's, you start going into leadership positions and management and different things like that. If you're someone who wants to start here and grow in this field, an associate's is where you want to be. Now, last but not least is our bachelor's degree. So the bachelor's degree, of course, is going to take about 4 years to complete. Now, what I want to say before I even get into the bachelor's degree is if you have an associate, you can also do your bachelor's online and kind of just extend it, and that's what I did. I started with an associate's and did my bachelor's online and kind of extended it. But you can also get your bachelor's as one fine knit program. So if you're going to do it that way, of course, it would take about 4 years. But having a bachelor's, whether you do it the associate's to bachelor's way or straight to bachelor's way, is going to usually give you a higher paycheck in the end of everything. It also sets you up for the ability to be in management, director of imaging and lead tech and different things like that. Now, lead tech, you could probably have an associate's or certificate and just work for a very long time and become a lead tech. But as far as management goes, director of imaging and just really getting up there, sales and different things like that, you're going to require a bachelor's degree and sometimes even a master's. But we're talking about the bachelor's. So you will require a bachelor's degree. I think it's awesome for someone who is pursuing higher education, who wants to grow in the field, who wants to be in charge, who wants to do management, who wants to go to medical school, whatever it might be. The bachelor's is going to be perfect for you. So I hope this was a great video that gave you a little bit more insight on which degree type is best for you. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to let me know down below. And if you have decided which degree that you're pursuing or what you plan on doing in this field, let me know down below so I can gear some videos toward your goals. Thanks so much. Bye guys.